Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video, and today we're going to be installing the ink on the Epson EcoTank M2170. So we're going to basically be going through the process. It's a very quick process. Now I do ask if this video was helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. There's also going to be product links down in the description below for this printer and for some remanufactured ink. So take advantage of that. That's all down in the description below. Here we see there are instructions for how to install the ink bottle into your EcoTank printer. Luckily, you only have one ink bottle that you need to install. So that's all we're going to be installing today, of course, is the black ink bottle. So once you've gotten to the point where you need to install the ink in the setup, you're going to be opening up those two latches that I just flipped open, and you're going to get your ink bottle prepared. Once you have your ink bottle prepared, if you take a look at the ink bottle, on the front of it, you can see that there is actually a pattern on the bottle itself at the very end. That pattern is the exact same pattern that is on the printer nozzle itself. So you're going to match up those two patterns, and that is going to cause also a lock. So it locks in place, and then the ink is going to flow directly down from the bottle down into the ink tanks of the printer. So that's what you want to see happen. As soon as you flip the bottle upside down, just like I did there, the ink should start flowing. Now, if for some reason it doesn't start flowing right away, you can kind of make some adjustments as it's in place. You don't ever want to lift it up completely because you could have an ink spillage, but you're just going to kind of rotate slowly. You don't need to squeeze this bottle, and you shouldn't squeeze the bottle at any point. You simply want to rotate it slowly so that the ink is able to get a good flow. You want to wait for the ink to totally fill up that ink tank compartment. Once that ink tank compartment is totally full, you then want to remove the ink bottle from there. And if there's a little bit of ink left over, which sometimes is the case with some printers, some instances, you're going to want to save that additional ink so you can top off the ink tank at a later time. So once this is totally full, we're going to do the removal, and then there's going to be an initialization period. That is going to allow for the ink to actually soak into the print head, soak into the veins, and your printer system is going to be able to start printing on documents as soon as the initialization period is over. It should take about 10 minutes, no longer than that. And so this is how you install the ink bottle on the Epson EcoTank M2170. It's very simple if you really think about it, but if you have any other concerns, any other questions at all, comment below. I would love to help you out if you're having an issue. And again, remember all of the product links down in the description below. You can save a lot of money with remanufactured ink. Also, if you don't yet own this printer, there's going to be a link for this printer itself. Take advantage of any of the links that are in the description below. So I really hope you were able to install your ink bottles into your Epson EcoTank printer. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.